Hello guys, how's it going? AlexTheGrumpyOne here. Hope you're well. Today I got a quick video for you on this unit from Seicane. This is a Android Auto and Apple CarPlay mirror link unit that you can get that connects in 4 different ways to your vehicle, to the sound system that you got in your vehicle. It also comes with the front dash cam that is built into the back of the unit, and it also comes with the reverse camera that is a separate bit that you got in here that you can install in your vehicle if you want to. So today is just a quick video to demonstrate you the unit, how to fit in the car, what settings, everything else they got on there, how to connect to it, and also the link is in the description below, and if I can get a discount for you, I'll get that in there as well. So that's something you're interested in, tune in guys, and let's get started. Right guys, so this is what you get in the box. It's well packaged. You got the unit there, the screen. Obviously I had it out, I just put it back for the filming purposes. So it comes with the sticky pad on it already. So you just peel off the red stuff, the red cover, and so there you got the screen, and you got the camera at the back here that's adjustable, you can move it. You got the power plug there that connects to the bottom. You have got the AV in there, you got the micro SD card, and also GPS or AUX connection at the top there. So you got the speaker built into the unit already as well. You get the power on button at the top. So the unit is not actually that heavy, to be honest, and it is adjustable. You can move it once it's fitted to the car, as you can see. So that's pretty good movement there. This also moves a little bit for depending on slightly different shapes of your dashboard. So that's that. And then you got the power unit that plugs into your cigarette lighter there. With long cable, with USB connection there. You got the GPS connection, and also obviously the power that goes into the back of your unit that I just showed you. Any USB-C should power it up. You can also buy a hardwire kit that you can connect straight into a fuse box to avoid all this stuff and using your cigarette light socket. Then you also have got the reverse camera here with the long wiring and the power cables there, so they can be fitted to the back of your vehicle. You got the manual that I definitely recommend going through, so just have a look to make sure you install everything correctly. And this is your AUX cable in case your vehicle hasn't got Bluetooth connection to the speakers. You can connect to the speakers using the AUX cable, and obviously the sound from the unit from your phone is going to be going through the whole thing, transferring into your original sound system in the car. Right guys, so this is our Q3 2012 model. As some of you might know, if you're watching for this type of vehicle, you have got the unit here, but unfortunately it hasn't got Android Auto or any advanced technology on here. So hence why obviously this is going to be a good unit for it. So if you fit it there, which is pretty good place to be honest, so you can still use the unit, you can open it up. And obviously it doesn't look factory, but obviously you can still use this unit, and it just sits there properly like that. And like I said, you can adjust the screen up or down if you need to. And I'm pretty sure once you start using this, you're not going to use the original one. All you have to do is obviously put your settings for the sound to go through your phone, and then obviously everything's going to go through here from there. And what we're going to do now, and like I said, obviously sitting there, the other good thing about it is that the dash cam will be obviously seeing everything that you needed to see in front of your vehicle and recording. Hence why I advise buying a micro SD card to fit in there, so it keeps recording and saving your data. The same for the reverse camera, for the rear view camera. So yeah, at this point, what I'm going to do is connect the cigarette lighter socket to power it up. Right guys, so obviously you can route your cable whichever way you want. I know this is the only bit that I would say it's like disadvantage having this unit is obviously the wiring, especially in this car, the wiring is going to be a bit hard to hide. I'm just going to zoom out, and you can see obviously the wiring is coming up here. I don't really know what the best way will be to hide the wiring here, because I don't want to drill through anything. You're just going to unfortunately have the wire coming down here. Which is, yeah, the only downside of having the unit here is that you can't really hide the wire very well. I mean, some people, I've seen them cutting through the panel there, having the wire coming out there, but that's not what I'm going to do. And I've got a few cars, so I'm going to use this unit on a few different vehicles, so I'm not going to stick it on there yet because I want to do a video on different vehicles as well. So for now I'm just going to stay like that, and obviously the purpose of this is to demonstrate how this is going to work. So what I'm going to do next is, obviously it's plugged in. I'm just going to turn the ignition on, and as you can see, it's coming on already. So obviously this has been connected to my phone before, because obviously I wanted to try it out to see the quality of everything. And as you can see, straight away it's already on the dash cam. The noise comes on. Obviously the time adjusts straight away. When you connect to the phone, you automatically adjust all your time on there, so that it's going to be set up correctly. The dash cam, like I said, obviously depending how your unit is sitting, you can adjust the dash cam up or to the side. So obviously you want to catch as much as you can. So there is a movement on the dash cam, as you can see, up or down, wherever you look it, where you want it to be, depending on your vehicle. So from here, this opens up the menu. Obviously you can take a picture on the dash cam. You can have a screensaver that obviously goes blank, the whole screen. You got the voice recording if you want it, but I'm going to go back to the main screen. Alright, so on main screen, guys, you got the volume button there always. By the way, the beeping, you can take it off on the settings so it doesn't beep every time you touch it. So you got the power for the screen. The unit still stays on, but it's just to power the screen off. And don't forget, you got power off button at the top. Brightness is here, so you can adjust that. So that's fine. I'll leave it in the middle for now. Obviously, this is the the Bluetooth connection name for the unit they have to connect to. The time you can adjust at any time. 24 hours, 12 hours. So recorder, obviously is front dash cam. So let's go back from that. You got the replay when you got the SD card. Obviously at the moment I haven't got one. You'll be able to watch all your videos, everything that you've recorded so far. Then you got mobile phone connection. This shows you basically how to connect your phone to it. So the options you got on this unit are CarPlay, Android Auto, Apple AirPlay, Android mirroring, Bluetooth music, and Wi-Fi info is just a setting. So let's go back from that. Then you got audio out. This is the great thing about this unit. So if your vehicle is older than my one, you might not have a BT connection to your unit. So obviously you haven't got the Bluetooth connection to the original speakers. So you have got AUX, which is the cable that comes in the box. So it's just connected to your original unit and it places through there. So all the sound comes up from this unit into your vehicle. Then you got the other option. This is FM. What you do, the way this works is you set up the frequency. At this case, at the moment is on 90.5, but you can change it to whatever you want. You can put it like 91.6. And all you have to do is go to your original radio unit that's in your vehicle and put it to 91.6. And basically this will transmit the sound from the unit, from your phone that's connecting to it, into your original speakers. And the last one, and not the least, you have got the actual speakers that are built into this unit itself. They're not bad quality. Obviously, don't get me wrong, they ain't going to be as good as your system you got in your vehicle, but you have got a sound coming out from the unit, which is pretty loud, to be honest. So the last thing is your settings. And here we got the CarPlay position. So obviously full screen, left of the screen, right of the screen to adjust it. You got resolution of the camera. So you got 4K, this is what it's set up on at the moment, but you can change it to 720 or 1080, so it doesn't use as much space. You got the loop recording to set up the time, how long you want to loop record each video the dash cam is doing. So usually I would put about 3 minutes. G sensor, the sensitivity of it. So if someone hits your car when it's parked, this should come on as long as it has got power, and it should record for a little bit what's happening outside. Then you got the car setup on there. You got the screensaver, so you can set up how long you want it to be on till the screensaver comes on. I'll just turn it off for now. Languages are there. There's quite a huge collection of languages on there, as you can see, but we're gonna leave it on English. Time setting, obviously we saw that earlier. Date format, so this is how you want the date to show up. The normal stuff, format USD card, reset factory setting, and this is the version of the unit. So that's all good. From here, let's go back, and at this point what I would do, obviously, which is the main reason you got this thing, is connect to your phone. So my phone is Android Auto. So it's pretty easy to connect. Literally, you just have to be connected with the Bluetooth, and then you punch the unit. So that's nice and easy. I'm going to show you that now. Right guys, so to connect to Android Auto, it tells you on the settings here what you need to do. Open the device Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, and to connect, find the connection, obviously the name of the unit, it connects to it. So on the Bluetooth, if you turn it on, my one already automatically connects to it straight away, but you also need the Wi-Fi on. So as you can see, that's the unit there. So I'm going to connect it straight away. And also obviously because I'm using the audio from the car, it will connect to my Audi unit as well. So that's connected now. Turn the Wi-Fi on, automatically turns it on basically. And at this point, once you've found it, your screen should change. There you go. So it changed already on the unit. Obviously for the privacy reasons, I haven't got my settings active for the location, so that just shows up like that, but you'll have the map on there. Obviously it also connects your data that you got on the phone into here, so you're going to start playing probably radio on there.
A big impact on currency markets around
right guys, so currently you're hearing obviously the audio from my vehicle, but what I want to do is show you the audio from the actual unit to see how loud it is. So I'm going to disconnect from the Audi, and that switch straight away to the units that's coming out from the speaker. It's not going to be loud, unfortunately. This is maxed out already. As you can see, it's not very loud, but like I say, if you haven't got any other solution, then obviously you have got that. But when you're driving, like I say, you're going to struggle to hear it this way. So anyway, for me and hopefully for you, you're going to be able to connect to your speakers in your vehicle, and that is not going to be an issue. I'm just making a phone call to make sure that you can hear me through the microphone all right.
Yeah, no,
does it sound good?
I can hear what you're saying.
Perfect, so that's good. That works. Right, I'm going to hang up now. Thank you, mate.
Alright, no man.
Right guys, as you can see, the microphone is working well. Right guys, the last bit I want to do, I'm going to turn off the car. So it should shut down after 5 seconds. I'm going to take the key out. I'm just going to show you, the purpose of this is to show you how long it takes to start it up again. So I'm going to turn the ignition on, power it up, and we're going to see how long it takes to connect straight away to the phone, and also obviously open your Android Auto. You don't have to do anything at this point. I haven't changed anything on my phone, so it's literally just starting up and connecting to it. So we should see the Wi-Fi connection in a second showing up. So let's just wait. Yep, so it's starting to connect. It should go green any second now, and then you should get another noise when it's actually connecting to Android Auto. Yep, that was the noise. So you got the green light, and it should change now. There you go. So it's changed now, and now you'll be ready. You have the map here and everything else ready to go. Right guys, so here we are. I hope you found this video helpful and enjoyed it. Like I said, it's easy setup. You can't really go wrong. Obviously, like I said, I can't stick it on there yet because I'm going to try it on different vehicles as well to find out how it works with them. But yeah, so far I'm really happy. The quality is decent. Like I say, if you're interested in it, the link will be in the description below. If I can get a discount code for you, it'll be there as well. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I've tried not to make the video too long. I demonstrated everything that I could. Like I say, it's nice. The dash cam can be adjusted. It's built into the unit, which is really handy thing to have. In some cases, it helps with the insurance prices as well. It connects to your phone very easy, Android, Apple, whatever. It connects to it. And yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like it, comment below if you need any more info, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a good day. Bye.